Hello, dear students. How are you? Hope you all are well and fine. So, today we are going to start the chapter Good Manners, Part 2 Necessity. In the first part of this chapter, we had already learned about some magic words like thank you, sorry, and please. So, in this PPT, now we are going to learn some other good manners. The first one is always speak softly and politely. Dear students, we should always speak softly and politely with our elders as well as our youngers. The next is excuse me. Often use words like excuse me. Dear students, do you know when we should use the word excuse me to get someone's attention politely or interrupting someone's in class? You can say and you can use this word excuse me like excuse me ma'am, I want to ask something, or excuse me, could you tell me the way to the station? Asking someone to move aside, so that we can also use this word like that. Could I get pass? Okay. So students, this is the good manners and the word excuse me that you use in the different ways. The next is obedient. Always be obedient to your parents and teachers. Whenever your teachers and parents say anything to you, so in that time you always be obedient. Means you have to follow them. The next is be punctual. Be punctual at school. Always do your work on time. One thing you can't recycle is the wasted time. If you waste time, so you can't do anything. So save time and be punctual. Now, some more good manners are always greet everyone with a smile on your face. While you are attending someone or you are talking to anyone, you make your face smiley and always greet everyone with a smiley face. Always walk in a line inside the school buildings to avoid accidents. While you are moving from one place to another place in your school, always walk in a queue or in a line. Wait for your turn to speak or raise your hand, which shows that you want to say something. If you are sitting in a classroom and your teacher asks you something, so that time you always wait for your turn, and that time if you won't say anything to your teacher, you raise your hands and wait for your turn. No need to shout in the class, that may disturb your class. Okay. Do not shout in the class. Do not waste paper. Share things with other. If anyone of your classmates wants anything from you like pencil, eraser, you must share your things with them. Help your friends. If your friend need any help from your side, you always be ready for help him or her. Throw garbage in the dustbin. Don't throw waste paper and extra things or garbage here and there your surrounding. Always throw garbage in the dustbin. It is a good habit and good manner also. At home, arrange your things like school bag, shoes, bottle, etc. in their proper place. Means when you come back to home from school, you Keep your things in a proper place like a school bag, school shoes, uniform, bottle, and all the things that you are using. Keep them in a proper place. Help your mother in the kitchen and other household work. Help your mother in the kitchen, like you can help your mother for filling the water bottle and keep the kitchen clean, and you can help your mother some other household work, like you can keep your room clean and tidy, and you can make your bed. You can keep your things and arrange your things in a proper place, in a proper manner. Like this, you can help your mother at your home. Go to bed early at night and wake up early in the morning. Students, this is a very good habit to go to bed early at night and wake up early in the morning. If you get up early in the morning, you never be late for your school and other work. And the last but not least, care of animals. Take care of plants and animals and love them. If there is any pet at your home, you must take care of them. You give proper food and water them in a neat and clean vessel. And if there is a plant in your home, yeah, in your house or in a garden, you must take care of that plant. Give them proper water. Okay. So hope you all enjoy this video, and now you can understand the good manners. Now I request to all the students, be punctual, always speak softly, and use the word like excuse me, and be obedient towards your parents and elders. By following these good manners, you become a good child. Okay? Thank you for watching this video and enjoy.